The amazing power of prayer points.
Good morning. My name is Kwezlomso Sibabaule Mangola. I am from South Africa, Cape Town. I am 12 years old. I was born with an asthma from my father's side. Ever since I've had the asthma, I could not play with other children. I could not go outside. I could not attend school activities. I could not do anything. I would go to the hospital in a year, maybe 9 to 10 times. I would use an oxygen at the hospital. The doctors also recommended that I buy the oxygen, but the oxygen was too expensive. And when I had asthma attacks, I would use this inhaler. There's one inhaler that I use for every day. And now I'm here at my grandmother's place. Ever since I've came to my grandmother's place, I have not had any shortnesses of breath because I have started praying with Wise Man Daniel. I started reading these prayer points. My grandmother has printed them for me so that I can read them when I go back home. I've started reading them and watching his YouTube videos, and I've started praying with him. Ever since then, I've started playing with other children. I've never had to use this asthma again. I've only used it from the time I've had asthma, which was like in January. I have not used it ever again. I've been praying with these prayer points and praying with Psalm 51 and Psalm 121, and I've been praying with my grandmother and my little sister. I have not had any asthma attacks ever since then, January. If I did not read Wise Man Daniel, I would have gone to the hospital maybe 4 to 5 times till now, but I have not even gone to the hospital, not even once, ever since I've came here and started reading these prayer points. These prayer points have really helped me. I have started believing in God. I have started not having any more asthma, and I've been playing with other children. I've been playing with my friends, running up and down, and I have not had any asthma and any shortness of breath, anything of that. I've been playing with other children, and I've been doing everything that I wanted to do. Thank you.
Congratulations, viewers all over the world. The hour has come for you and your entire family to be healed, delivered, blessed, and saved through the amazing power of prayer points released by God Almighty Himself through His anointed servant, Wise Man Daniel. Many have been asking for how they could get these prayer points. Therefore, to get a copy of these prayer points, you can contact Wise Man Daniel Ministries as you send in your prayer request through our WhatsApp prayer request line +234 9021 470247. Viewers all over the world, as you're ready to follow the divine instruction, remember to alert your husband, wife, sister, brother, or friend to get their camera or handset ready to record, because something will happen that would make you know that indeed God is great. And at the end, make sure you send us such videos as evidence of your testimony through our WhatsApp testimony line +234 9015 113002. Finally, viewers all over the world, be careful of fraudsters who are trying to use this opportunity to defraud you. Freely, Wise Man Daniel received these prayer points from God's bedroom, and freely He is giving you. These prayer points are not for sale, and there is no financial bargain for it. If you pay anyone money to receive it, or someone asks you to pay them money to receive it, it will not work for you, and you will only end up increasing your problems. So, don't be desperate about it. Be patient to get it free from the right source because salvation is free. We can't wait to hear your testimonies. God bless you. Shalom.